Today, I'm going to show you how to insert emojis in Microsoft Word quickly and easily. If you've ever wanted to add a little personality, make your notes more visual, or just save time instead of hunting through menus, this is a super simple trick you can use right away. It works great for documents, notes, outlines, and even fun personal projects. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tips just like this. All right, let's get into it. First, open your Microsoft Word document. This can be a new blank document or an existing file that you're already working on. Once your document is open, think about exactly where you want the emoji to appear. Then click in that spot to place your cursor. This part is important because whatever you do next will insert the emoji right where your blinking cursor is positioned. Now here's the shortcut that makes this so fast. On your keyboard, press Windows key plus the period key, which is Windows plus dot. As soon as you do that, the emoji panel will open on your screen. This is built right into Windows, so you do not need to install any extra software or browser extension. Once the emoji panel appears, you'll see a variety of emojis you can browse through. You can scroll through the available options, switch between categories, or use the search bar if you already know what you want. For example, if you want a smiley, a heart, a thumbs up, or something more specific, just pick the one that matches your document best. When you find the emoji you want, click it once, and it will be inserted directly into your Word document at the cursor location. It's really that easy. If you want to add more than one emoji, just repeat the same process. Leave your cursor in the next spot, press Windows plus dot again, and choose another emoji. You can use this in headings, bullet points, reminders, or anywhere else you want to make the text feel more expressive. One helpful tip is to make sure your cursor is placed exactly where you want the emoji before opening the emoji panel, because Word will insert it right there immediately. Another useful tip is to keep your document style in mind, since emojis can make a document more casual, more friendly, or more visual depending on how you use them. So if you're creating notes, lists, announcements, or internal documents, emojis can be a great way to improve readability and add emphasis. And that's all there is to it. In just a few seconds, you've learned how to insert emojis in Microsoft Word using a simple keyboard shortcut. No complicated steps, no extra downloads, and no wasted time. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.